front clip conversions for your Honda. So DC5, DC2, DC5, DC5, and then the front or the rear bumpers, the front bumpers. But anyways, if you guys want to know how much these things go for, the first gen RSX or Integra, the front clip right here goes for about $1,800 here at JDM of California. Comes with the fenders and the hood. The DC2s, these things are going for about $2,500. Comes with the fenders and the hood as well. And then, you know, various versions of the DC5, first gen, second gen right here, $1,800 or so. And then the bumpers for the back are also here. And if you're looking for other parts like, you know, IS stuff or Altezza, they also have that in stock here at JDM of California. And if you're looking for something super fancy, you can pair it with a K20A, which came in the Integra, the DC5. They got like 4 of these guys here, which is absolutely insane. Check this out. They got 2 more over here, all right? And then also B18Cs, one right here, that came in the DC2s, and all sorts of like K-series and J-series sitting right here for sale. So, oh, look at that. Silver DC2 front bumper.